Hey there, in today's video we are going to talk all about grant writing certifications. We get asked all of the time, do I need a grant writing certificate to be a grant writer? And then I bet you can guess the follow-up question, where do I get that certificate? What's the best program out there? We're going to be answering both of those questions in today's video. Let's hit it. All right, so do you need a certificate to be a grant writer? How do you get your grant writing certificate? So the short answer is no, you don't need your certificate to be able to enter this field of grant writing, but it can help you get a toe or a foot in the door, and it also can help increase your confidence. So if you are feeling like you want a grant certificate in order to be successful, then by all means go and pursue that grant writing certification. We want you to show up as your amazing, confident self, and if the certificate can help you be more confident, then we are 100% for you going out to get your grant writing certificate. So where can you get a grant writing certificate? We have a blog post, we'll link it in the description below, that talks about the top 20 grant writing programs and the different certifications that you can get through them. So community colleges have grant writing courses that'll offer a certification. Sometimes a professional association can offer a certification. And then you'll find online grant writing programs like ours that offer a certification process as well. So if you've been following us for a while, you know that we are the Grant Writing Unicorn Collective. And as a part of our year-long course and membership program, you get to earn your grant writing certificate. So what are the steps within our program to earn your certificate? So the first one is that our program is built up of phases 0 through 7, and phases 1 through 3 really teach on the foundations of grant writing. So the first part of our certificate process is to just watch those training videos and pass the assessments in phase 2 and 3. After that, you're going to get some real hands-on, real-world experience with a funding strategy. I'll link a video in the description below that talks all about funding strategies, but basically it's a research project. So you are going to work with a client and get paid for it, even as a newbie, to create a roadmap of funding opportunities for that particular organization. And you're going to create that roadmap through grant research. We suggest you charge around $800 to $2,000 for that funding strategy, but that's just a little side note. Regardless, you have now completed a funding strategy for a client. We've supported you through that process. Once you complete that funding strategy, you submit it to the team at Learn Grant Writing. We review it, give you some feedback. If you pass that funding strategy, you then can earn your grant writing certificate. So once you've watched phases 1 through 3, you've passed those assessments, and you've passed your funding strategy assessment, then we send you a certificate. And the certificate that we send you is both in digital form and hard copy form. The digital form, super easy to upload to LinkedIn or to attach to anything that you would like to attach it to, put it on your website, all the things. And then the hard copy form is super special because if you know anything about us, you know that we love celebrations. So there will be a couple of surprises in your envelope when you receive that hard copy certificate, and we can't wait. Awesome. The fourth step of any certificate process, whether you do it through us or wherever, is to celebrate. This is a huge moment. Whether you've been wanting to learn grant writing for a long time or you've just jumped into it and are ready to go from the very beginning, it is an amazing accomplishment to dedicate yourself to something and to earn a certificate. And so celebrate, whether that's taking yourself on a hike, out to the movies, out to dinner, or just drawing a bath and listening to music and reading, whatever it is that fills your cup. We want you to do that because you deserve it. You have gained your grant writing certificate and learned a whole new technical skill, which is amazing. So the other way to increase your confidence, certificates can really increase your confidence as a grant writer, but the other way that you really gain confidence is through experience. And that's going to come from writing multiple grants. It's going to come from researching grant opportunities for multiple types of organizations. It's going to take time. And so the Learn Grant Writing program, beyond just offering the certificate, we want to support you through each of those learning phases. So now that you've earned your certificate, you're going to go out to organizations and you're going to ask them to do other aspects of grant writing. We want to support you through all of those sticky situations, through all of the grant applications and your funding strategies. So that's why our program is built as a year, because we really believe that on top of the certificate, to be able to support you through a full year of learning how to write grants is really critical to your confidence and success as a grant writer. So where do we get grant writing certificates? Well, there's a plethora of programs, and here's the bottom line. We want you to find a program that fits your needs the best. So maybe you're in college and grant writing sounds intriguing. Look and see if there's a grant writing course at the school that you're attending. That might be the best and easiest way to just get right in and dip your toe in right away. Let's say that you are brand new to grant writing, you have no idea where to start, but you know you are looking for a meaningful career and a career that allows you to work remotely, build a flexible lifestyle, and really work wherever you want and on your own schedule. Then come check out our program. That's what we excel at. We love supporting people who are looking for meaningful work and for the ability to control their schedule and their finances and all of the things that come with that. We want to help you build grant writing consulting businesses so that you can live an amazing life. And maybe you're an experienced grant writer. I would encourage you to also check out our program, because our program is like a little mini MBA, met a grant writing training, and then they had a baby and came out with the Grant Writing Unicorn Collective. So we will teach you not only the technical skills of grant writing, but the technical skills of forming your LLC, of paying taxes, of payroll, etc., etc. All of the things that come with building your own grant writing consulting business. Regardless of what your grant writing goals are, all we want for you is forward progress. I will link in the description the review of the top 20 grant writing programs so that you can find a program that best fits your needs. That's what you really want to look for in a certificate process, a program that meets you where you need to be met. So let us know if you have any questions. As always, subscribe so you don't miss another video from us. And if you think that grant writing might be in the stars for you, then comment below and we will chat with you. All right, see you later.